Welcome to the Fun Food Cooking channel. Today I am sharing amazing tiramisu oatmeal cup recipe with you. So let's start it. To kick things off, we will make a special Chinese New Year inspired yogurt that is as creamy as ice cream. Next, start by soaking instant oats in milk overnight to achieve a luxurious texture. Now mix Greek yogurt with cocoa powder and a hint of coffee for that classical tiramisu flavor. Slice some bananas in pieces. To assemble the oatmeal cup, start by layering gorgeous serving of the soaked oats and a layer of Greek yogurt followed by banana slices. Repeat these layers until your cups are beautifully filled. Now let's create a chocolate drizzle. Melt 20 grams of dark chocolate with 4 grams of coconut oil in the microwave, then add your favorite nuts into it. Then spread this mixture over the oatmeal cups. And there you have it, our crispy tiramisu oatmeal cups are ready to enjoy. It is actually a satisfying treat for you guys. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you later.